November 24th. Thanks for clicking in, everybody here. Another Monolith. It's a 50/30 powder coated black with a Treeline Log set. You know how I like to give a sense of setting and scale. Well, it's almost winter here in the high country, but you see the architecture of the home and the color scheme. How about that for a focal point? We just fired it, just calibrated it, and the trailhead log set to this 50/30 Monolith. That calibration piece is the most important aspect to every installation, guys. So remember, when the time comes, trim the amount of gas ahead of the key valve at the meter, which is what we just did. So it's audible and it's visual, and it's a perfect work of art. 970-759-3103, Jason at Breck, Ironworks.com. Reach out anytime, and have a happy holiday season.